So today I am at Green Acre. It's in Trebullett. It's a small close of similar bungalows. This property is a 2-bed because they've made a dining area out of the 3rd bed and it comes off the kitchen, so it really works quite nicely. They also have a double garage which is actually divided in half, so you've got 2 garages. One they've insulated and used as a playroom come office, and the other one for general stuff. And it's got a paved drive at the front, which has got a gate on, so it's really safe if you've got animals or children. If you'd like to watch the video, you will also see there's a wood burning stove in the living room and a utility room, so do have a look and then call us to book your viewing.